Hi everyone, welcome to the very last video announcement of this semester, and if you're lucky, of the rest of your life. This will be the last time you'll have to sit through one of these, so it's getting close to the end of your final semester, and congratulations on making it this far. Hopefully you have a growing sense of accomplishment, that your service learning is wrapping up, that you have been working on your capstone assignment and is getting close to being done as well. We still have, of course, several weeks left, but we do just have one more module coming up, Module 7. Module 7, however, does have 3 sections, and also Thanksgiving break is also stuck in there, so it will take a little longer than the other modules this semester. But our semester is definitely coming to a quick close. In Module 6, Section 2, the one we're in right now, as you know, we've been thinking about ethical thinking, reflecting on that. Hopefully you've had an experience where you've kind of thought about and demonstrated some ethical decision making, and so I look forward to reading those, and Alexis as well. Coming up in Module 7, we will look at the last MDS outcome, which is effective speaking. And as most of you have done a little in the past, you will be giving presentations in this class online, meaning with the webcam and a presentation tool and a program that records your screen, a screen recording program like Screencast-O-Matic. So in Section 1 of Module 7 that's coming up, we will have a little practice or refresher of that. We will do a mock interview where you are the owner of a company that needs to hire someone, and you're also someone looking for a job at one of those companies. You'll play both roles in a short video, camera presence. You'll make a video of yourself doing both of those things, and you will not only answer an ad of someone that wants to hire you, but you will also be the hiring person. So we'll be doing that in Section 1. After Thanksgiving break, we will be looking at creating our final presentation and submitting that, as well as have some time to peer review our capstone assignments and other assignments that you may want others to take a look at. I should mention during spring break and beyond, even actually now if you want to, there is an extra credit opportunity for you. If you go into the discussion board section, not our small group one, but the one where the discussion board for questions is posted, below that you'll see another discussion board that's now available for you to post on. And that has information about the service learning exhibition. So every year Boise State, or twice a year, Boise State organizes an exhibition for all the students who have done service learning like we've been doing this semester, by filling out a very simple template that's based on PowerPoint, filling in the sections that are already outlined for you, and most of those with information that you've already filled out for me on the project proposal that you submitted. By doing that and adding a few pictures, you can make a great poster. The service learning department actually prints those out to be like a 2 by 3 foot poster, and they will be exhibited in early December. There will also be winners of the exhibition, and I have to say our students in the past have done quite well as people who have been recognized as doing great service learning at the university. So if you feel like you want to submit a poster, submit it to that discussion board. Every completed poster will receive 40 points of extra credit, and then Alexis and I will be able to choose the 5 best posters from each of our sections to submit to service learning. We are limited to that number for every section of students. So whether or not your poster is submitted, you will still receive the extra credit points, so it might be worth it just for that. But in addition, from the ones we send, students will be selected to present their posters. And as I said, there's more information about that on the discussion board as far as the dates, when the posters due, when I have to send those posters to Service Learning by, and then also the date of the exhibition itself. If you have any questions about that, please contact me, as I've been handling that, all those details for the exhibition. Coming up in the final section of Module 7, you will submit your capstone assignment, and you also submit your portfolio. So that's why we've been working a little bit on those things as we've been going throughout the semester. So hopefully you'll have those ready by the end of Module 7. By Module 7, Section 2, you will also need to submit proof of the hours that you have completed with your service learning. Remember, there is a required amount of at least 15 hours of service learning confirmed by your supervisor. If your organization is a partner with OrgSync, then hopefully you've figured out already how to submit your hours in OrgSync. Once you submit any hours in the OrgSync site, your OrgSync partner, your community partner, will get an email to go into OrgSync and approve those hours. It's very simple for them as well. So that would be the process, getting those hours into OrgSync and having your supervisor approve them in OrgSync, if that is your situation. If your service learning partner is not affiliated with OrgSync, then there is a form on our MDS 495 OrgSync page called the Student Hours Log Sheet. That is a PDF form that you can download. You'll need to print that out, have or email it to your supervisor, have them fill out the hours, and then you'll have to get that scanned or take a picture of that and upload that in the assignment in Section 2 of Module 7 to show that you have completed your service learning hours. That should be a signed form with at least 15 hours credited to you there. So if you have any questions about how that works, please let me know that as well. That is a required part of our course. You don't get any points for doing that, but it is a pass-fail section of the course, so that does need to be completed. There's also still a few of you who have not yet completed the assignment in Module 2 to let me know officially where you're doing your service learning. So I've sent an email out about that before. I'll be sending another one as well. So if you see something like that come into your inbox, or if you just want to take a look at assignment 2.10 in our course to see if you have submitted proof of where you're doing your service learning, I do need that as well, just as a paperwork kind of thing for making sure that our course stays as a service learning designated course at Boise State. That's a lot of information. So if you do have questions, I understand. Please feel free to email or call, get in touch with me, or if Alexis is your section instructor, with her as well. We're here to help you in these last few weeks, and we're excited that you're getting so close to graduation. So as always, if we don't hear from you, we'll definitely see you online. Thanks.